We use the analogy of a jumper cable. So it's not that I'm giving my energy or I'm taking energy from the body, but the hands are really used as facilitators to get the energy to move. I realized that the philosophy of Jin Shin gave me so much. It made me feel connected to something that is bigger than myself, which is the thing that I was looking for. Well, as you say, Jin Shin is a form of energy medicine. It's Japanese, it comes from Japan. And it's similar to acupuncture, but we use our hands as jumper cables. So instead of needles, we place the hands on the body. And you can do it on yourself as well, which is what this book is about. The art of Jin Shin is very individualized, so we listen to the pulse in the wrist and feel exactly what needs to be harmonized. So if somebody comes in with a specific symptom, and people come to me with symptoms, then we find out where the cause is of the project. Holding each of the finger harmonizes an emotional attitude. So it's very powerful because each of the fingers helps two organ functions, an emotional attitude, and they're related to an element. So it's very all-inclusive. Once the energy starts to move, you start to feel that connection with source. And that is really what's happening with meditation is that, and mindfulness, is that the mind starts to calm. And so it's the same after you treat yourself or after you receive a session, you are in that state. And so that's our vision of Jin Shin Institute, is to open it up to the world. So it's really nice to hear you give an explanation, which I think you did well. I have a quote from Philomena saying that the rhythm of the body is in 3/4 time. That's true. So again, you know, when you think of exhaling and inhaling, that's of course the easiest way to access healing. And so we exhale from the left and we inhale from the right. So you're moving back and forth a lot, making sure that you're comfortable yourself all the time. So it's always possible to go to the 14 and use that as a bridge, like this. She started Reiki in 1986, and I'm absolutely very grateful that you are here. I think we will have an interesting conversation about Reiki and the art of Jin Shin and energy, right? We have together almost 80 years of experience.
Oh my God!
One very interesting aspect of Jin Shin Jitsu is that you can do it on yourself. So all of my clients, I teach them to do simple flows, holding fingers. So in between sessions that they can do it on themselves. And all of my clients really do and make it a part of their lives. And I think for someone like Danielle, that is also really interesting. People have been through disease to maintain their bodies on a daily basis.
Okay, so before we conclude, I'm going to say something to you. UDB, do you know what it means?
UDB.
UDB. Capital U, capital D, capital B.
I know what it means.
You are the best.
I know what it means.
Okay, thank you.
And you too.
And thanks for joining us.
DEEPAK. My name is Alexis Brink. I'm the author of The Art of Jin Shin and the president of Jin Shin Institute here in New York City.